Right, so I thought I'd just do a wee series of solutions to these programs that I got you to do last week. They're really just based on old standard grade programs, so there might be a few bits of terminology that's slightly different, but the actual problems themselves to solve are good enough. So this first wee problem was probably foundation level, so this would be equivalent to your National 4, and it's really asking you just to get a program to type, allows you the user to type in a piece of text and it'll just loop it as many times as you want, okay? And this is actually specifically saying get it to output it 4 times, okay? So you're going to use a fixed loop there. So if I go onto the Python program, okay, so this is your template that you got. So you can just put your name in, alright? You then put the program title and it's called car stickers. And you're going to declare and initialize the variables, okay? So initializing is just setting a variable to be empty. So we're going to have a variable, we'll just call it sticker text, and it's going to be a string. So that's basically saying it's going to be sticker text and it's not going to hold any information in it just now. So we're then going to get the inputs. So again, what you can do with this is you can double click, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And we're going to ask it for a string. So we're going to say input, and then we're just going to say, please enter sticker text. Okay, now if you've got 2 open brackets, you need 2 closed brackets because that can quite often be a wee problem people have. So we're going to then output this. So we're going to say for counter in range 4, and what that actually does is it just repeats this line of code that's after it 4 times. So we're just going to print and open the brackets there, and we're going to just print sticker text. So it's printing the variable that contained whatever you've typed into it, okay? So what should happen is that should create a variable within the memory and make sure it's holding nothing, initialized to 0 essentially. It then asks you to type in a value for sticker text. It will then output that value 4 times. If I press F5, and the value, what could we have it? Just saying driving too close. Press enter and it's outputting that. Now if you see there's not a wee space there, so there's different things you can do. If I just put a wee space there, and then if I run that again, you'll see it gives you a wee space. So driving too close. Output that. You probably can't quite see it there. So that's output it 4 times. And that's really your first wee program. So it's using a fixed loop. That range just says whatever the number is the number of times it will loop for, okay? And it's just outputting whatever you've typed in to be the sticker text when it asks you that question.